The question is, Katie is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that needs repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of the each day can be estimated with the equation P is equals to 108 minus 23 times D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value of 108 in this equation? So our equation is P is equals to 108 minus 23 times D, where P, what is P? So we can see here where P is the number of phones left, and what is D? D is the number of days she has worked that week. Let's say D is equals to 1. So number of phones left at the end of the day 1 will be 108 minus 23. Let's say D is equals to 2. So P is equals to 108 minus 2 times 23, which is 46. So these are the number of phones left at the end of the day 2. So what value is representing this one? This is representing total number of phones she needs to repair. Phones she have to repair at the start of the each week. So our option number B is the correct one. Katie starts each week with 108 phones to fix.